Me ba jo bo ba mo share mame. We quick. Hey, me cha da you cry. Fun o mo ba di mi no na. Me ka sem ko to fon foforo. Me to fon foforo. Pa Junior o de wa ba ro. E be di se huru bi a kira Pa Junior. Unko na me ma warning. Papa Junior boko de, I love you bro. Mo share mame. What the mama sha say na. Of course ekobo 10 wa as jama fu e mo. Me minimum kasaketo aka. Chale, we dey me chia obi bia. Me chia obi bia na nadwi, anka nadwi. Kenye ya dwe say ke beba life, but enema ba ku ni mienu bi ntia say beba life. Na yeso ye be yi ano wo. Ensem bia e koso wo Facebook. So what you say? Na me chia obi bia oba platform so ba na wa shama me. Obi sunim so for makaba mo fa tag na me say ensem bia na oba kan ye no. Me so no me tie bi. Me tie ni nyina from the beginning to the start to the end. Yes, so no de enim no yes e beka. Bacha mo ntimo mo ba mo share mayen. Hwe mo ma ka se bi ntia CSF for. CSF. Ye ibo adwuma, I'm telling you. CSF. Ye nam kwampa so. CSF Abraham Moshe. Hwe pressure bia wode ato asofo na Christopher so ni nkrebofo no so no ho. Ehu, eno kire se ye ibo adwuma. I'm telling you, CSF for CSF Amoshe movement awadi abai for the common sense family no. Mi donya me say is shake Ghana. Get mo hwa de bi o. Obi a onimu nyansa. Obi a sabi na adwe no bibia nim. Obi a ye ka say education kwa oni bi o. Obi a society no ye can't say or ye low level na adwe no say emfa ye ka enipa crowd kan ho enka no. Ultimate transfer nipa ho nya no video 2 hours. That is the truth. But you make me mo obia na adwene nya adwuma. Wa bon wa say o ye kronfo onim hwe. Ye ka nipa ye fa ne nka ho bi. Obi di say wow. Obia wa say na adwene nye wa bon o ye kronfo onim hwe wona ni so no ye transfer onipa no ho enye ne ho video 2 hours 3 hours sa wotimi ye onipa no ho video 2 hours 3 hours ya e kire say onipa no o ye very important nemom no mo ye atrofo no kura e na mo pese mo beka Abraham Moshe waba obestay sa wotimi ye video efa Moshe ho ye efa Abraham Moshe ho 2 hours 3 hours Abraham would describe such a person say or you empty-handed or an adreno bibia ni na adreno or wabon or ye denya na you say entro and a wu twachire yen eye kontompo and a wu twachire o nipa wabon ye wo hu hwe a eliko say nipa tie no utimi funny video utimi jeni ho video 2 hours 3 hours ya e kire wo say o nipa no oboa o ye important na no kre ne onka me be chance and then we ba say me ho na ese of makaban me follow ni ntino ba ya na panyan adan ya obe expose Abraham Moshe but amu chani o CSF for mo fa mo CSF for to tedam de enka common sense ye kanya nsem wo ha yes o si oba be expose Abraham Moshe me kura de o try na me say Moshe akokum obi ana say Moshe akokum obi ana say Moshe can say wakwa robu obi o say Moshe wakwa twantro bi o say Moshe akọ repu obi o ani ebe expose no mi kura minim o kan e dey Moshe aya ebe expose no ye ko hwemu a ye si Moshe ani nkofo bi ye prani bi say omanya sika na omudi sika na agubo mu ana omo video ade abeto social media say nkrofo bi timi tie common sense family na o matima sebu me nua hwe mom yen kanya sasem wo ha se obi ekachira wo se wadwuma na wo ye no kwa brane dia to trimu se ma misika ma onyankopon sika na se wa ma kwa brane o ma onyankopon sika onyankopon timi nhira wo na kwa brane bi so ko research na ono so hu se dia mo ka no ye kontompo na o tufu se sa ukoreshi na odi ma sofo no o tight no so sit na odi ma wo no fagu boxum 1 year biemu na be sika me nwa we expose we nyansa nse nyansa muteni yo onipa no o tumufo se sika sade bi na ye dia mamu na ya ka kire ma adwene mu ni se mama onyankopon sika wa bla bon koso no onipa no aba be ka kire wo se onipa na aba be ka kire wo se ka ne sei omoboa na sasika no onyankopon ohia obi sika na anya ne kure sasika na odi mo nyankopon every day every Sunday and every day no enfa mo nyankopon biem na mo mfa ku bom fasie afiso a se ara se eduru afia bieso na obehu sika wonya we expose we wickedness muka chida me. So if this is wickedness there, and I say the word wicked no antiase. When the wickedness pan say. Me mama adwini nyadwimo say obi too for say sika na de man so for na in the name of God no. And then the correct kipu fasie odi tight no fasie offering no fasie society no fasie na afiso a ubie so a obehu sika obenya we wickedness. Yes, to him, a wicked because the money, no, and go be to him, no. Abraham Moshe as Sisi Sakwano, a Quano Buddhiscano, Moshe as Sisi, so to him, a wicked. Salami Mihono Moshe at Mercy Sakwano, Sicano, and Mabium, the Bio Communist Cafrino, Abraham Moshe at me as Sisi, Emma Saskano, and Copium. Ebacha muteni yo sa sikana Abraham Moshe akabosumi ede week bi omutimi nya no Moshe atima sizi masikani nkobiam and to him a wicked mene ya adwen because sikano naka Sunday anka befa ne se asole wate asole naka every Sunday otimi nya sika be se enipa be se 20 kraba na asole na obia to obia to sika obia to offer be se 5 krana Sunday obetime sasika emabiamuntino to him a wickedness but me busa wasemu we ni wickedness pa ne sen se obi to for say onyankopon hia sika na yedi adina yedi adada se nyankopon hia no obi atimi aka kire wo se omoboa eye nyankopon bi na edi eye onipa na edi na enya ne kura so se sasika no odi ko nyankopon a na emema nyankopon ayeden aboa edi sa wo pa sika no enfa masofu biem fatu susu na afeso a na biesu na behu sika wa ya we are wicked to you are you wicked because the money is no more coming to you no are you wicked because kadema biem to you no ekwaya ofaso a eka odu na sika no ema biem enso to you no so ka say are you wicked somehow meto ase because kan ema biem but me nua we are you wicked say the wickedness say what say my den oma han kra bi ene nipa bi ana ya den ya han omo ana enkra no aba social media ana all kase kana say mutiani yo all kase kana say omo to susu na susu no omo to ye no omo so no omanya sika enti omo ka se sadia ana mkoka kire akobam say advert na omuti TV so omo ye no a scam because onipa na oya advert no ebia akobam na wo si akobam na wo yusu no ebi kwa won to yusu bi da enso o ka kire oya advert aka kire ye say akobam no aye papa se sada tedia mkoka kire omo ya advert o TV so no say sa advert no me TV so no omo na ye scam because onipa na wo TV so oya advert no product na oye ho advert no onyu so bi da nso oye wo se ye papa abreso sa onipa no kwa no onyu so bi da mo kan kire Mo ka kire o say advert na TV stations na enipa ne betia so say Akobam Joy Ointment ahwan advert no me no onipa na wote TV so na wo yes advert no ebia product na wo ye advert kwa oni so bi da. And it's Abraham jadi a scammer and the team for them so a scam. It's simple. It's very simple. When you wicked, Sikani ma be to you you wicked. It's true. Sikano I never said remember how did you know? And no quite did you know what kind no? I don't know sparking me messing my life. How did you know? Muda motombo. I don't know sparking me. Na me yasam na no ba akomako. Se Moshe adina oye no se o ka kire onipa se onipa sika na asofo no tasoro dan no omo ka e kire yen se sa sika no wanya onyakopo timi nhira wo wadwuma nkoso wabrabo nkoso no na Moshe ka kire se omoboa onyakopo hia sika no eni sa sika no ye pa ye fo nto susu everyday ye fo nto susu na o ka kire me se sa adina Moshe kan no eye wicked dia to you eye wicked because Sikan emabium, but I adwene pass no kai. Yes, to you no a wickedness because one Sikano nabium, na unya bium so. Ha opo common sense me say. Me won say Abraham Moshe betie mi ahon. Anytime almost say di makwadosu no. Almost say Moshe di makwadosu. Labi me be ka se bi a kire wo. Me nwa mu tani yo he abrabo won. Me be kire mo di be fe na abrabo. Me the way me see hu abrabo no ade bia asibia e normal ten ma me life no me tiny pa ana onipa bia so ni ho a me kini no nemom se o ka asem na asem me di madwene fa na me hu se o ka asem a me fa ana se me fa wo so a me fa wo makoma mu the father say ma fa wo akoma mu no nkire se oya boni a metimi be ka just say oya nye boni o this is my life. Abrabo no eye yenya no ya bagu wiase mo ewiase ne nim kwa fa so ye ba ha do black na adwene same medi makoma Abraham Moshe di ade message bi aba na to me ma trust hu say de abrante ne ka no ne kra na ma fa na wo se odi makwa juju ho a Moshe ene me ka kire juju no komiam. I am telling the truth. Sir Moshe di message aba na ma trust hu say abrante no o ka sem bi a kire yen. Na asem na oka kire in fact aya asem a etaso mu aya asem a sabi sa wodi adwene nyansa fa ho ekọ na me de minim die me de me voice me de misika na me de boa se yem pushi sa message no na ema tuntumfo ye hu se onyankopon bia ni wiem ho ananya me bia ti wiem ha o promote nipa na obo nipa nemum ni wiase na waba no eye wadwene na se wusu na odinya de ope na wo ka tell me se sa ni message we no enipa no metana chi na se odi makwa do so a Moshe I am telling you komiam. Yes komiam I say komiam say ukona komiam am no problem. Because me no me hu ni say de Moshe ka no ege pepe what better now say Abraham be Moshe diako ade akọ tamale enuntina yetimi say na chidia ala so fu maka ba misbi busaw won sole mana omugu asole dem ho na oso no omutimi nya wachiri no odo makwadro so ana. This is a question I'm asking you. And Solimana say utimi betra Facebook sofo a wo se onyankopon afrew ya sra won unimu nyansa ukukanim de kasa etimi betra Facebook obi fumpa utimi dinatem na still wasolimani hu se wo ye fake dia na wo ka kire me omu hu se odo makwadro so amebusa se omu so omutimi se wo odo makwadro so because me sof makabai men jaji nipa but wanuma ensabi na America kire wo se maybe ya wasole back moja wasole kame kwa swale foforo. I am telling you me se kame ya wasole member on eke the way I see ba social media usi behave no a usi kasa no me kame wasole ba kame ja wasole eke me ja wasole kwa swale foforo because obia onyame asra ne ho onyame afre no a okenya nya asem no se ofhwe Yesu Kristo na mudi na chi no sa tamna ya be chi no a o shoni ba kuno yisi kan no asema na Yesu ka kire no wo sese kan no fa hye bebia ho hye na cassette asema Yesu kan wo se senka asoja fo anko bo be koma me a aka metima command 1000 from heaven to fight for me. And the second, first shame be or if that Jesus no can will allow seven showing no anti me and kwamana. Who are you to fight for Jesus? And so no what me but it's not social media. Et me di wa you for them say I saw for be a fake or me a mole or me a tossy. Na saka me ya wasole member ka me ja wasole ko. Na me busa o upon all this no. One swale man or they are comfortable say every Sunday watch no more better say preach omo. Omo no do makwadro so. O do makwadro so. Sa unu pesa o che me say o de won fa won kwadro so a. Na say Moshe me di minim die me ne any misika tabo na ti say ni message na waje aba na a good message a say you someone e be boy yet Africans a. O ka che me say Moshe di me mako. O de mako hen, o de mako yudu. Moshe me catch no so anko miamu a. Me ne on Facebook kwa yen ko. Ko miam. Because that message na me say umpo bia no betimi aka. O message a good message. Yes, and I umpo Bible no a problem. A simple. And I now and I list on hwe onipa tuntum on. Say ono okutokwa. Na ohwe na ontimi on. Na ya fa kwa bi. On say ye no your life no. Say eba dudusem abosomsem malamsem na. O ya target on say your movies kwa no. Say etimi ya movie bi ya say oh Peter Dochi di opedroso o de opedroso adentia ya target say so obi kwa malam ho ne sade no say o involve sanya mana o ye bonsam enti no hwade o strategy say obese o yusu ni say obese ye hu say Abraham be Moshem enam amalam ni akonfo so enti why dudu sa and also why was for assolem o church members o yo mudu because upon say over life utimi di atam sofu mu a utimi use some words bi wo ha me akwakwa nyame from me timi use words no na still wasole members no o me comfortable say o mo be di wachi and me pesa me tell so do makwa so me boa you problem o you a very big problem you a problem as blacks sure obi say wo hu say religion a problem mu take question no obi say wo hu say religion a problem and to a free na wa free mu no aya dan na hu say religion a problem to a free come out and tell us it here who say America ho asem what are you telling me nua mu tell you o say religion wo hu say religion a problem to a free mu o say religion a problem to a free mu say religion a problem na wa free mu dia aya dan na hu say religion a problem no free adekoda hu ya na enya no come out and tell me na me so who say religion a problem na me so me can o say you should leave them omo believe and aroba no ono so ne believe ne say ono onya adwuma tieni yo aroba na ya say ono de okobokro no ntia gina kotum no ono so ne believe ne say ono no onya adwuma but wo ko adwuma obra no so betwitu asi so na waje sika kakra na odeko say wo hu say ne believer aroba no so na mumenya no so no ono so operate because ono so ne believe no de oye no on say ya trofo ya data ya ho ya no tamu bia ne pese ya de enua trofo ne hu se hwade bia omo ye Yahuda mudi Yahuda etimi eka se who is he wani Yahuda no we mu na echa common sense hwe ade ba kwa akosi broni wo ho me say Charlie, I love these people ne say omo nsani pa mu hwe broni wo ho omo ayafo okra no akosi broni ni mu se ayalefo na obi ya wonu disable campo no enyema pa bi woni mu a omu hia. They never look down on anyone, but young blacks no always no you perceive looking down on people, some people because of your look, because of your education background, because of enyema binti no still then omu person omu use omu you be to look down on you. Say who you nipa. According to mo, nyame and a boy in Nameboa. Mo Bible no. So on Yakopo the boy in Nanas wa boy Yahuda sa. Who is the problem here? One year bremuno. Who Yakopo say bremuno? Yahuda on the board home. Now typical fan say, think as somebody teaches obi common sense. Now also so me be catch who say, some short video. Now be so be catch who say, show obi so what to me for. What see me dem do atem. What see me dem me mu ade. Oka sabi aboa ne kwase anko na atem didie won aboa ene kwase anko na atem didie wo wiase ba ye won you are looking down on that person say because no one fair, because oyo hiani, because oyo yalefo, because any my papa bi ani we are comfortable say o the oka na me so come na me so me can the same thing say o se me de me mu ade me mole mole huh o se me de me mu ade me mole mole mo share the pro ade ade aba say me busa omo ye anti common sense for no ade trend de bia no mo kan enyama boni wa after be mo share nkra mutimi ka the good things about that guy. Okay, it is now. And some na mo share ka no mo me any negative part na to nchen according to mo na you can the good part. Mo me can the good part. Mo me for the negative side of after be mo share to nchen na mo me can the good part of him. Nya hwa de. Because e wiase no ho. Ade bia wa advantage bia no e wo disadvantage. Adebia wa advantage ben and what disadvantage. Let's talk of Abraham advantage. Let's see. So okay, tell me say Abraham be Moshe since Oba no nema waka na nema phone. Then we a liar. Then you are a liar. Even you agree with me say even say Jesus Satan kwa Satan or one advantage. If say somebody or a friend is Satan or one advantage no say what disadvantage. Because ultimate can't tell me say Adebe wo yasi bia no e wo disadvantage nko papa nim mo share buy no enema asem na o kan ni niema papa no adetra mutimu nka se mutimu nka wo platform wo da buy na mo ba twa camera sim say oh Abraham mo share ka we dey ne kure oh mo share o ka se wo dey ne kure da buy na mo be sad no but enam say mo ya black people with black mind black people with black mind you know time bia no ye per say the negative way hwe come says for me catch them Moshe o ye nipa onya angel onya god or on the bad side me on the bad side hwa bia o say onipa be di watam is part of life say onipa be disrespect is part of life say Moshe bu be fu no be kana dwato is part of life. But onipa onimu nyansa no onimu nyansa no opa wa chew se wa fomo wo so afo mak aban emra bi Satan man common sense for Moshe ba ofro no sister Mandy ebe ka bi on your platform who this sister yatem e ka se we ahyawo ni ba ene o sin Abraham Moshe di yanua na wo so achem which is bad I know entino on chase say ade Abraham Moshe or common sense na otimi ekasatia yenua panyi na wusu but also be busa wo na wo se onyame afrɛw ya srawo wo yo di for your pastor no you went ahead to insult Sister Mandy on your platform why not one can say Sister Mandy na wo ni Mandy some Sister Mandy ko na wo share that otimi kasatia sister way so painful our platform so What's the now right now no you are cool with Sister Mandy so it's okay. And Abraham Moshe is not cool with no one say you hypocrite. I don't almost say anti-hypocrite. I say hypocrite no okay you can do nyachom you the black you nyachom ne say wo hu ade wo me ho na wontimi nka na wo hu ade wo obi di say lawyer bafo na wo ka wo nyachom de wo hu wo me anya no ka kire me de wo hu wo lawyer bafo money ho no ka kire no menye nyachom Moshe ba no enema papa adente de bia no enema funa okay say the negative side ko na pesa moka what about the good side mo fa beto ne hwe udi this Sister Mandy attempt kai say oye bodam for no to UK now nim Sister Mandy udi din attempt I was any dey nya bia no now say wodi pa no kwa no timi hu say o your negative side now one went off now wodi attempt one adenti na Abraham Moshe so call like also went off for kudi ya brapanyi na na usatam de e problem o de topic e life me Moshe me say Moshe I didn't Moshe the man because me who say I am life that be be no metima ya fa ho it is part of life so be fun ablabom it is part of life mum ye sua de na Moshe o and now ya scam and now juju de low key Juju de Moshe wo me man won say wan ko mia dudu we mu ahon because me hwem me nuamo obi beka say bia ye ntwa nto hwe me nuamo hwe me min twam ntroda Moshe me message now that banana say someone even God Onyankopon kra ho oni say the Moshe kan e kre Onyankopon bon na de awie Onyankopon wa boy awie de hia nya o de amaya awie Onyankopon ma aduane wa maya nsuo wa maya mframa wo tonso maya wa maya nnua wa maya bibia onya hwemani pa biam wo moboa think sit down rethink how many times you tell especially those in our blood. How many times do you say who akosibro ni say oye obompaye oye fasting? Akosibro ni fasting head. Oni mu say nso na obeto so asase no so no. E say nso no obenom daache enti oye what na adwen no e to ho ati nso no abo nso no ba na say nso na wonya bia nom. We yakopon na be yama. Akosibro ni mu say me hia ekwan no me de ka be famu enti ekwan na me ye no me di me nyansa to ho amahu say ekwan na me ye no me ye ni ye say de be ye ekwan na me fa so a me nya accident we yakopon hwe I know be say obi no ye confused me Moshe me twanto me ntu enfuto nwuma omo amahwebe me si Moshe message no o ye o message na ye to do for the encourage because tuntum ni no omu se omu si Moshe si omadua ne ho kan ekwan because baby a omu ska free no wonu Moshe na na say obesere de no part of life me ka say utimi ka Moshe ho asem o ka Moshe ho asem onye nipa si nipa bi but wo ye fa ne kwanya adwuma wo baby there's a chef makaba be yen me say me be expose Moshe expose be na be expose no wakọ han nkra bi ene nkra no omu di sika ene ko TV station wakọ TV station for say saga na oto na oya akoba mo adwuma no akona oya akoba ho advert no akoba no nyisu bi krada enso ka ho asem Nana Brown oka high sense ebi high sense no krada no onyisu bi da enso so say high sense ye papa yengo yusu eno scam enya scam Che tutu for ye nya science hunu na ye di na e wo Facebook na ye ho ba kire nda achi yo ana mo hwe Yahuda ana mo hwe Yahuda send physical appearance na nya fa on na adwene ye adwuma akwose broni onya appearance no pro broni hia adwene da utirimu no eti ye wo obi ni frakra broni se oboa adepa bom ye pe ye wo na oni nsa broni ni se oboa adepa bom ye pe akwose broni don't look down on people blacks always want to look down on people because of their look even ye kwa wale mu kwa na me oba me be ma na makofa oba ba ro e na akosi oba wo de no nya fe e na oba wo de o tete dodo e na oba wo de wa dodo we always look down on people. That is one of our greatest downfall. Never look down on anybody. Now be transfer and I okay we and me okay kra me say fra be Moshe okoble pobi me si yemewu me nim say fra be Moshe kra no ye say wakokro de bo wakotwetuo e de kokro de bo no na ka make say de o kan na kra e na Moshe anya de na de o be kan we de bia say na wo ye no de bia say na wo ye enso emfa so for makaba let me advise you sure say if you want your church members back at home Jawoya no enso unsosidi. The only way I mobile timenya yan yebetimi asan free Abraham be Moshe achi eye one me be kire wo say Abraham be Moshe de mo kan so odi akojuju so juju de eye okojuju so a eye no only believe or dem kojuju so abepe. The only time mobile timanya to get your church members back and say mo check on this proven Bible no Moshe say Jesus Christ a scam. I don't almost say, yes, I could see Brunina. Sure, almost can't say, I don't know where I missed it. Almost I could see Brunina. Yes, I could see Brunina the Bible and buy. And so, no, you see phone. I didn't tell I could see Brunina here phone and Timmy. Sure, on say, only pay Cassa. Now only panel on Timmy and me disprove, and I want to me count for my own. Almost started to make creative PB. Said the bear only panel by a time, no manano. Me say sa o pese onya ye back at home. Chi Abraham be Moshe a disproven Bible no. Katre yen say disprove say because ye wa adwene. Moshe aje wotimi di conquer the Bible. Hey, mini Moshe kwa history kwa menka used to be Bible na one make ye focus so. Yes, yes, Christo. Why then? While fulfilling 360 come show old num. Abraham Moshe at disprove. Sa and come showing us a scam and true. I don't know your answers. Now, the American boy, they say, you. The American boy, the pushing. Jawuya Emma self Abraham Moshe. Ya dog Guy no do can you true. What ya blow to the hobby? And I suffer obey, I say. Suffer obey, I crumple say. Suffer obey, I say. Aye, America for Clano. Among Christians. And I call platforms or Tono Walker. Adaya, I could see Blonino, episode the gay or more force gay on us. I don't know, ya Mrs. Ah. Suffer obey, and they all cast as much their own. I could see Block and for Omnia Christopher. Yeah, Christopher. Minia, Jamaica Chairman said, Omoboa. Dear Sofu Macaba better on Nano, or Pesa Abraham Moshe no green massacre. So, or you contemplate for Sada your life near here. Me per se, me go and you must not meet me now. No, my greatest story be not Mamma Wyatt time. Moshe for your idea could use of a young call. I love Moshe message. Trase, the most own, and I said, I did my copy say, and follow Moshe. For what do you do, Moshe? Moshe and Joe be a common sense. Abraham Sofu Macaba catch it and say, yes, Abraham Moshe so what the Mutchen you, what the Adebiaba, what they can say, or also the Nediaba, Nede or the buy in the common sense. And the Macaba person and say, I said, yeah, now say, Abraham Moshe and the common sense about common sense, you know, eh? They will send you. Me father say, yeah, Diana, you're Bapisi. And I may say, and Alan John say, what the Makwaba. And Richmond so say, also the Kobiaba. And Richie so say, also the can I say, Menkeaba. Now, Mr. Becca will say, Mudi when Nabadia, and I'm Mr. Jamediaba. I am Makwa. I try to Makona Binio, Menam inviting Mako. Muche common says the Mutian you, may Sabe Cambium. Say your Bapesi, if I say your Bapesi, where the Makwaba, where do we are, where do we are? Now, Mr. Becca said, Mr. Jamedia Makwa. Sa statement time I tell number Conny ho, Menam inviting Mako, Menam Abekati Mako. I tell some Mako, Nemo, Mr. Muno, Jametiaba, I'm who say, Ebema, a persona yabono, I am successful no, and somebody Makubeba, somebody Makwaba, I tell some Mako Bino. Soft Macaba, we see, what's them now can mean to me, oh, Muslimako school bat. I love mammy. And more her, and Sadamo can I more to me and more her. Me rap punches. Sir Abraham Moshe saw also the common sense about and test the common sense a video. The Moshe on a dinner that's common sense family Ehunamo. Moshe say, Mose, we are Christopher, obeying Clemosumaba, obey the Hindu Abba, obey the Judaism Abba, obey the Shintoism Abba, obey the tradition Abba. And also say, why you should who say, dear more coming nano, I am true. Nemo dear here or nipa bra bomini say or nipa bayushin adjunia. Yea, minia, a dinyan tropa. And yet a bay somewhat. Sassam ya Moshe can you pardon? Tell me, baby, why you bonnet. Tell me. Where's what the Christianity abba? Where's to say what the Hindu abba? Where's what the Muslim abba? Nina say, yes, in a couple of was when I'm on a body pa. Na Moshe so say why investigation who said that be omoboa. Onyame boy awie. De ehie na de bo no, ya de amayen. Aduane nyame de mayen. Enso de amayen. Adro de amayen. Enframa de amayen. Nemom de aka e wa asase so a ese onipa yenya ya adwene. Se ye beyusu ya adwene. Enti yenyu so ya adwene ye fanya de pa. Na also de odi aba no na. Obeka tell say Abraham be Moshe. All the common sense aba. So for Macaba, in fact, most of them are kind. I say yebu ya ebumu, but a low, a very low. Me where a very low. Me quite a mean co school will be a plano. Me who say low. So where, sir, some muko school pana munya sadi we are and a low. I didn't Moshe at the body power can muka Mukai. Muda Munka, the Moshe, I deal with Moshe Kappa and anything. Munya ida muye nya twom na moye. Eye nya twom na moye. Munya boy no mu say okay Jesus I will to me see you saying now. Munya mu preaching. Yes you preaching. What is your beef? Preaching. Yes you preaching. Why? Osinya me na boy yan. Yes osinya me moya. Obifu ne say. Keep on concentrating. Dia wo kan yesu concentrate dia yesu kai. Ana obetana or dia kwado so me adro betimi me. I am with Moshe because of his message. I am with Moshe because of nisam na kan e true. Ene juju. Me fie for kwa munum se me ankasa me yebosom dada. Me fie for kwa mo ntimase. Say ara metia hwa me on sa wo de message bana me somu aho. Me somu ne kwale mu. Me sa wo de message ba. Na etom adwuna na me trase ehun se de wo ka no ye ne kra on. Sa wo me se Moshe opa Moshe nya video e fa me ho. Edi matter me se Moshe me dono because the message no me tia brochire. Me hu sa kwose broni ye rebaba anumre we na ya rebaba and next Saturday broni ye adwuma from Monday to Friday and then Saturday omu ko disco Sunday no adano na what they be refreshing in mind no Sunday na mejiba home so no me for sa ko transfer them I saw them one on dey be ko e dey be ko so them because say mu pesika je e wickedness. My yajuma from Monday to Friday. My bread. Saturday, me name do for your pie. Saturday no, ebia o say adwuma we adwuma ebia radon kwada o sha odofo. And Saturday no, me name girlfriend na me wife, and me ma yakotena KFCB, yakoli di kakra. Sunday no madda no me dey refresh my mind no. Me sound for the same as I didn't say transfer them go rebaba. Adai. Na mo shake ka tell say omoboa enya adwuma omoboa ye tro. What better na obeku Moshe ni mu ase me nua wo jai sa oboa wo ye trofo oboa Moshe nya hwe so de akwadro so me se Moshe wa miam me de me yije no wo miam because the message papa onyankopɔ kwa wo ha onim se ja banta ne kan no e truth so onyankopɔ no pese wo ye ite se aboa anka ya adwene ko wa miam e ko boy se dua da me ka what say eka on eko boy se edua ko onko mi ya adwene mu opese ya adwene ye yusu ya adwene no ne ye de tweda body e so ma no ntinom ena obi adwene mu ena obi ya adwene mu adwene bie eti Moshe se ye yusu adwene na e fa na walk wrong e fa pa na walk wrong akwasi boni you can stop maka waton boni no yusu na adwene hwe otu ho ka say enwa nalika ka say obe send say $1,000 and say bibisa tiase mo kan yo wo say tie do kan yo wo say oman na otimu no se wan kwadwuma kra na aban ne be support no tie do kan yo muntie do kan ye yenua ba ko ka che ne say asofo ebia next kan say me mane $1,000 sofo makaba say ehun hia adentia because oman na otimu no se wan kwadwuma kwa na aban ne be support no e kwa be so na aban ne fa support no o yusu na adwene broni ne cheki hu se ahokyere ne ma enipa ye bone akosi bu ne hu yusu na adwene hu se krono bebrebe boni bebrebe a enipa be ye bia no eye bone ne ahokyere de ohia nti eti broni si onipa no so onya adwuma mumie pe baby mane na broni si so onipa no so onkwa adwuma onya adwuma mumie pe bibi mane ni said ye be ya adwen bone mani pani trimani koye bone ene nyankopon wo o man rely on God o boni no yusu na adwene say ni system no be ya adwuma o mu yusu o ma adwene ene na Moshe ka kire ye no ene Moshe ka kire ye no o say system no wan kwa adwuma o system na otimu no system no abane be support o e true jama nya sa aban no proba bi mawoda na bosomi wo ma osikadwi edadidi udi bi atwa live bay udi bi atwa internet adentia broni no didi se ahokyere ne mo onipa ye bone ohia ene mo onipa ye bone atete so onipa kwa atete mu ene mo onipa adwembone bone trim se enya mo ni bi twa no ntino broni ni se so onipa ni nya adwuma ye pe ba bi mane na onipa no se onko adwuma yempe bibi mani ni se de be ya adwene na ebebo na adwuma wodi ani bre wakoti bone no ebe free ho enyinyame. This is what Moshe is telling us. Hypocrite people. Hypocrite people. You're very hypocrite, eh? Blacks or me say. Africa, Africa, because we need me what topics me brand me person me treaty, but we need and the puppy I am more born some form of my own treaty. I don't care. I'm say say your gods, no, some more powerful. That Adam a topic that me nyana didn't try to this topic way. So sad though. Boy. Moshe for Bianco you so. Nen sem na okan na atoy adwene mu. Nen sem na ode ba no. And I'm who say oh that boy ne kan no kre. Na ode adwene so toto ho efa. Hwe akwose bro ni krom ha. Aha sikani ade sikani yusu so betima yusu bi. Aha sa so obetofie so easy. Bro ni say me fa say iPhone S20 ya bai sa Samsung 20 ya bai. Me o hia ni me ni bi me boa. Bro ni say ehu hia say okoda okoto ska ro ai o tam ska koto. Wadwuma fet track fet wadwuma oppression. Sa di we oppression no ka say ya. Adena wo ya adwuma na itwa ka na ya chow say chale jama for na mama oppression oh. Wow, oppression blah 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 blah. Ai pay slip. Bro ni say ehu hia sa utam ska o. Sa o pay slip no fako e ka say fako ayi media mart. Okwa sa S20 na open no. Oni onipa no nya contract. Bosumi bia no bosumi bia no je obetima man ka kire wo mo je wo fon ko akosi bro ni say o pesa wo da range over mo a ehu hia sa unya sika. Bro ni say fa wo patient na na so wo pay slip no fa ko company ni ho na no ko ye fetrack contract bosumi bia tia na fa sika ko kosi bro ni tikrom ha yusu na adwene se de be ya ni kro no bone ni basa enim se de be ya onipa bi hu omho so mu important se bi se bro ni be hu se we are all the same no yes you to na god na mo shey catch o se enye ne kre onyankopon oboya wie de nipa hia na ode amaya wie na de aka eye na se yisu ya adwen a wo so wo ye bonsam na wo ye bonsam 200 times esen no. I'm telling you, the mind is Princess Lika, the mind is asleep. The Moshe I don't see anything wrong with that. I don't see anything wrong with that. What you say you be you say minim say hwe me kan na say so onyankopon bi wo soro ho a ofre nipa. So for makabanko on frɛ. I am telling the truth. Me na me come through. Say onyankopon ho. So onyankopon say owo esoro pa wotimi frɛ nipa. Say or frɛ obi amana be ya adwuma mana. So for makaba me sika dame ko on frɛ wo da. I'm telling you because unim Allah me power sem but you don't know me sata me hwɛ oni ya on. You don't have what it is say obe sofo. Because unim bi eto na bia on utimi yusu west bi. On say ka osofo ka wano katanim de enka prepare your like in kabomu na ka oye but wotimi ka sem bia metimi busa mo say enti nyame na frɛ wo hwɛ antoa kwa na antoa se antoa be frɛ obi e be fa obi amana be kom na on antoa mu jusu nipa gogo akono di bobo mu no sa aboso omo na mo frɛ mo aboso mkra no antoa ansa na antoa e be fa se be kom no o hwehwɛ mu hu se wo ye jani person ansa na wotnya fa wo me sa antoa ayo mami mabusuam na comfort wo wu a esa antoa no say yi bosom na free ye busuam sa onipa na antoa be yi no o make sure so onipa no ye genuine person o make sure say onipa no ye nipa bia so de ne adwuma onwura ni mu ase asna antoa yi no bosom kwa na so ye bonsam no say otimi hwehwe genuine person otimi yi na how much more knowing God the creator of the whole universe so obotusu mo say mumla be kana say emfa twa krama no and we fairly I'm telling you we fairly totally because mon fata say frɛ masofo hwɛ enkae de na Moshe akrakoto wetima be ka asɛm ma ye kɔ because of your behavior. Ultimate job ebe ka kire say ajakraja ene nyame ultimate ka say we free nyame we free Christo we fake hwe emle bishop makaba wo say obi nim ye fake obofo ye fake hwan ye fake omun free nyakopon o na free nyakopon no hwe enema bia say uyusu where's the other etobia free wonu ba me kra no menyusu me nyusu ana almost me niatamo men the way am sikasa sara me kasa o say to do for the okasa na utete mu a almost say okasa odidi atam me ni atamo sara me life from me kasa but wo wasi bia wo yusu no me nyusu me ka kire wo say onipa na wodi o machi no me mole no me ka kire wo say onipa na wo mudi sofo maka aban wachi waso dem no o me to say no me ka kire wo say onipa na wote waso dem wote 24/7 sabi wo etimi we low minded person no. That is his belief. That is his or her belief. I am up to him. But the American say, any part of my church said here. My church idea you ask me to minim. My church na tona jimwa. Waja sole no. My church na now was sister because so it is up to him or her. I have no right to say make any part say oh you Jimmy for. I have no right to say make any say only part say oh you tose. I have no right to say me do any part of personal life. The person how o si hwe and now you guys are making mockery of Yahuda. Nyakopon so ho am say on frem da. Say so for Nyakopon yimu say have you be no mfa yem lade a na munya na nya ekobo nsam jam. Because monne yem fata say frem asofo. Monne yem no emfata. Mo nsem a mo kan kwa mfata say ye na be di machi. Sha Abraham Moshe and Grand 9 or Grand 9. Mutimi in the personal life, na mo attacking the personality. What's me do what me ma because oni ya no nkyira me say me be do what ya be nkwaje. Me ne oni ya no nkyira say me be do what ya me nyam de because you say the old trust and oni say the twa da achia. Wa udi anim na utwa sade ya be ka kire wa hwede wo ye. Wo se wo de wo kan Yakopon adwene o kan Onyankopon adwene nyame yi wo ye onyame adifo a wo kan nyame aza say na nyame say ye de a ene se ka me ba bi ntena me ni wo hye kisae munya agya mo ye no e mo ngu onipa ani mu ase hwe na mo ni mu say mo brenya mo hye down. The more you talk of this guy no the more no rise. I'm telling you hwe de media shatawale ba so hwe de mo de shatawale media has na shatawale ene hwe shatawale ene mo shatawale sara mo tie mesi mo hye mo mom na mo promote mo hye enti see se o mo yesa de na o e ma mo ye high but yes so come na de enim su aka mo hye a good job me na me kam kire mo ye me ntufu tongu ani o me tufu dogu achi a ne chaka be panahye me hwe have common sense for mo ha ma me ka se mo kire mo hye say Onyankopon boya wie die ehia Onyankopon wa adebom no wode ama ya wie aduane ensuo enframa ensuo to enuro ennuaba akokoro kusie ofui wansane Moshe se Onyankopon boya wie Moshe se die aka wasase we so na se ye no ye ne se ye yusu ya adwene ne de nya utiani yo aduane na wo pa bia wo so akwamde wo pa dwene di no Moshe se ehu nya se wo sufre Nyankopon se wa ma obi adentia o Moshe se onyame no wo de aduane na ma wo dada entu yusu wadwene na fa ko pa aduane no jata sole no pa jata o sole no pa onkoto mompa yanka jawade mamadwane ni jata no yusu common sense ema hu se e komo de me so ese mididi na why then wo hu aboa wo de aguru so achenawe. This is what Moshe is telling us. Moshe said sikada open, don't waste your time say o kwa so de ba ko bompaye. Moshe said enhance o bompaye Onyankopon fa ma nemum sikada open yusu wadwene say odi ko pa adwuma say odi ko pa bibiaye aye de sasika no ebe ma enye Nyankopon na de ma. Moshe say school na woko no exams na woko ye no ye mutio mo share say school na mo kono exams na akoye no ehun hia say we fasting ehun hia say wo bompa ya answer na mo share say you should wadwene no na fa sua de na exam time no dura what ma twa mo share say yale na wo yale no eye normal because Onyankopon ba de hu say yale hoto mo yaduro ana wo man ya nimdiefo a omunu nimdie ne ye say wo yale a wo ha wo say wo yale enti mo share say wo yale a emompaye enya fast mo share say ma wadwini nya adwuma na ko hospital na ko je ayale sa minua mo de mo kan kire me minua mo de munyi komo sa sento kire mo kan kire me sa de we mo share dia ba no a me kire mu minua wo de mo kan se nye ye nipa tutufo na ye nipa bonefo ye nkwasiafo sabia na ka we ye be challenge mo share ye eke ko challenge mo share sese sa sem ya me kire Matthew nti se ye transo sopa mo share na obi say identity beautiful ye support common sense identity ye common sika me nya hwade o omuni ma be kire omo oni pon the message aba message the calling say a good message ye hu say ampa se Ghana dodofo ni nyina timnya message we na se omo tiase a mu cheni yo se Ghana for no me fa say 50% 60% to me timo she case na ase a ne ye hu say onyame aboya wie na mom e ya dwene say yusu na mo na hu a ebebo man to therefore no ye pushi mo she na ne message no watimi akonkrase mo na reche obi ano na ti se mo 5 foro na bi ko mo she say mo she jefaka osika ho se de be ya mo ya bonzam for me enye yo enye chale enye ya bonzam enye ai de enye minim de enka biem enye yo de mo she ka kire bi pa mo challenge mo sopani enje yema mo se mo ko school mo nim de mo knowledge mo entity mo she ka kire we enti university a wakwadru no enti still udidi pass wo what me kasa university pana enti university a what me akọ school adru akiri abo degree no and still 2020 udidi say wo no obi kasa enti udidi pass udidi say Nyankopon bo obi fan Adam and Eve enti udidi say on abo be Jonah mo fa ne say mo abo do zuru say bonsu enti mutimu gidi adena mo yesa mo fa de mo pe mo preach yesu preach ana mo ba attack yen preach yesu preach here. By the end of the day the strongest shall always survive na yen hwe enam se mo share message no ewro muti mo se wo de akwaduro so dro on fa yanko because the mo share kan no ma yusu ma adwene ma hu se ne kure hwe wo hwe mo me hwe attitude bi o wo yale ehia moa o pe mo afiri wo fa ho unua bi nche no o se ni o bi pa o se yemo mpaye ya bompaye chance bibe no esi wo ya bra bomu a na mpa this man ampa out wo your shuffle and am say there mo she ni na o dey fa say mo she wo mi oni 9 branches ono no oni wo mi asole edi so wo mi asole pampo a enti oni adwena wo de be research on the Bible no na brand na ya research hu say de mo kan na ye nse hu na mo ka mo say o dey we scam come on miniamo common sense hwe do mo kan mo boa me say de mo shake no I get perfect enu na broni na otini krom wo no sa broni na etini krom no wotime yusu na adwene na all catch there say oni sika kra na say onya adwuma aban ne betima support no broni no o yusu na adwene hu say onya ya dambo ohia ntimi ma oni pa de enyanti no oni pa no so oni sika kra na say onya adwuma ese support no broni no o yusu na adwene Shadan kwasa sembia sofu bidi oil akogina ekwa ho eka se o anointed road no say o anointed road no o anointed road no e bompa say accident si bi mo kwa no so bi because ohun say bonsam na o se kwa ni mu no hwe nkwasi asem bi these are some of the things who are also from Makabaoka ya enipa tuntum adwene or the anointing oil go good kwan ho ka kire anya na solema so didia atanachi the anointing oil good kwan no so aka kire bonsam ne say bonsam sha say accident hwe abra broni no hwe broni wo ho omo population ne dose no na ye ba kwan nim population ne dose no na omo ba kwan nim akwasi broni atime bie ni kwan ka no 5 na mo Ghana 2020 from Accra to Kumasi Ntimi double road still ye accident this year I only patuntum tidi se bonsam na akoso from Accra to Kumasi road still 2020 onyankopon e kan say tuntumfo ni mu say accident na si ye no obonsam e na koso ye na mo hye aba na mo hye tuyefo ka kire say omoboa enemo na ye na mu nyan eyeye ne akoso accident na yesi no mo hye si enya bonsam ne koso ye enso eto na enso no yiri fire no mo hye si enya bonsam ne koso ye na mo hye si yenyisu adwunu nya ma adwunu nya adwuma hu se ekwan no ye ni ye ekwan no ye ba mu se de be ekwan se ekwa accident no AC enye bonsam ne kwaso ye mo hye si nya bonsam mo hye si enye nyame ene ma accident si ye eye na ye attitude ya adwene ye nyusu no me nua se mo hye ka we na me betwa mo ka abrotira na me twa mo ka na me betwa mo ka papa me ka bibia because mo mpa no kre mo mpa no kre adra mo yesa adra mo yesa edi da ben na makoko fa mo hye nsam no papa no o de wo fa ne say sada mo hu se ne born na da ben na mo be fa the good side of mo hye teaching so mo be kan foro mo hye e ba no ko Jesus bank or the Jesus na baya e kan bo hu se Jesus e kan bo hu mo hye se wo nyansafo he is preaching against Jesus in mo so ye timifo me boa mo ye nipa bonefo mo Ghana na nkosoro mo ka ho bi 2020 still mo pese ye gidi se wo wakasa 2020 mo pese still mo mi ehun se bonsu timi mini obi 2020 still mo pese still ye gidi se onyankopon bi ade ne babla yen eno obewuji yenkwa ade yenya hu dem biem ade be para mo se ye medam de me ho na me se mem kasole bi mo a wo se me mole o ha ne se nemo mu wona akasole no o pese me gidi me o pese me hu se wo de wo ye ne kama wo de nde finyankopon ni nyansa saa na mo ka ho mo nyan na mo ya bonsamfo bibia nu amoba me agya mo hye akire die me se me mo hye me support no 1000%. So mo se mo ntiase se mo hye ni makotokwa mansan na chi hwe me nua me kam kire mo me sai ka se mo biem se mo hye eno be ebe hamso no eye life eye part of life twade o wankasa o mame a wo wankasa o papa a wo wankasa unu a woni ne ti abusuan bakum eto ne nyaka eti mutimi nya fight utimi ne nya basa simuntam utimi ni unu atem utimi ni papa atem da eye part of life jebesi bia na eye part of life onyankopon o create problem no cyber solution e come eye problem ni solution ni aduane ensu come eye problem ni solution ni ensuo yale eye problem ni solution ene aduro sala nyame ye ni wiase we it is obifumwa is part of life samu nkofo na mo ne mo girlfriend ho na ojamu a na batam ni naked pictures ene ojamu dia ene megu ni mo asa na mote ye mo musu ba no because sa o girlfriend be jaw it is part of life sa o kuru be jaw a part of life ana mo she na mo she ni me akona me say me dona wo say what me kwadro so ana munyankopon na create that problem no because it is part of life the best bia yenua ya obo ni ri toku no I am so painful but it is part of life bibia is what a part of life and it's a moshe etimidi adi yenua bia tamo a eye normal thing eya but I don't say me be discuss moshe never obi all knowledge Bia o nyansa ne hu se Moshe no on attitude. Me so me wo ma attitude. Hwe afekwa na mate Abraham be Moshe asibi. As time goes on na mate Moshe asi. Moshe do bi obefro bi emfa fon no. Obi obefro Jesus media fro emfa. Afere mate guy na se. Obi obefra obi say o say common sense because unim de ofra no emfa de call. Emfa ko bia. I'm telling you, emfa obi a. Message will be from me na support cut no because sa oni pa na ofre no ope down for e bia obe record o at the disgrace o we don't learn yan yen o afre matimo sha say I go down for bia ko en for bia ko yen hua de when ka just say e wi no masa mo menya nwene ho till ablabo na se ablabo no tiase ablabo no ukosoro no ba form je si bia your life minimum bia na o scan na hia no a part of life minimum bia na ya wo no obekọ wom no nani afura a part of life suade hu hawa nature na operate hwe se wo suade a ho uni obi anya problem asase so da I'm telling you me life wo ma suade hu se me ne madam fo ye ntemba e basa a life a part me attack no time ne so obekọ life shadia bio ya wona wunyini no sada wona mfo bebre wona mfo bebre unya am ho on problem na mfo muni ho uko primary school na mfo mo wai Jesus wona mfo oja mu a life is like a tree the more e grow no ablaba no the more tree no e grow no na the branches no over say eduru be na branches new branches eduru be a life shiade ne hunyansa mum amaho ye no ya dwene nyina ko e Bible ntino adwene ntimi mie and this one of the thing I'm saying Moshe I'm supporting this man adwene say timi bie ya adwene mie hwe say o say obedima kwaduro so hwe I remember my teachings be I almost say it's a man the teachings be about sir ya blana or a long face I say akọ obi atunadu he's the man the catch and say omo bonya to do I believe him. Okay, say oh me told me about obetime come. Obetime be kodro so come. Oboa. Understand life. Tiablaba say ajebi o hope be possible. Timoshe on attitude that. Me no a good say me hu ni bad attitude na me say Moshe. Jawo ni jai. E good. Opa be fa pa but that doesn't mean say any pan mean chini no me sa camera and I will show you kwasapani and baby obi onim nyansa no onye sa ohun say Moshe no yu nipa hwe adebo bia wasase bia no e won negative side e won positive side mutually o bibia wo wiase bia ni e won negative side and a positive side because side two energy when the creative word it wadam for no so fom wa hun say eye normal so wodi watema hun say eye normal do ana eye wo ya but hun say die si bia no eye normal wala blabom let's move on just focus and move on say me girlfriend jame me boyfriend jame na me woni naked picture wa jame dia nanakua wa jame dia na na me di naked pictures aba na me di gure ni mu ase it is not part of any lie any abrabono no just leave the person allow the person to go just few days few weeks few months ubele cover sana abrabot here say esum say jam had esum say ke esum ni ho a ke be ni ehu han so faso say han ni ho a e be ni ke hu esum so faso e kom se kom ni ho a enka aduane e be de enka hu aduane so faso ensu kom ni ho a ke be de hu so faso ana Princess Lika no negative and positive go hands in hands that is life and if I mo attitude better everybody is say oh ya o mu ade oh no suade o sna so ko school no if you don't know all this and am adwene ada suade mo she fa enko ba bia mo she enfa enko adroso bia no ni message no me na me obetim de ba kwadroso o ni kwadroso ni bi ko me ankasa me bosom mo she fa enko adroso any message no and waka and atoya dwumi hu say the guy is telling us something dabana mo she ka say ko tutu enko kro nebo dabana mo she say yenko ba shawo Tabana Moshe, I can say, yesterday, Eriniatem. If you Moshe, Obaheno, now or bad hardcore, and I share Moshe at him, do what? The guy is learning. The guy is learning. Study nature and how our nature is so pretty. Minia, one stranger, Ubakachiro, my adrenal, and Yejuma. Come on, says Adrenal, I say Yejuma. So for Macaba, Munishi, so more be become, or Munchi Abraham be Mushino disproven on the shade. Omu disproven on the shade. They hear no know, but say, or a scammer, or a wicked, word wicked, or wicked and normal wicked, say, adequate to be. Munim de Bayamo, and so you be close solemn. I'm coming to them. Man, I saw you be close because my mother say, Madrin, I bet that. I drink not die, baby. I drink it than ye BM. I don't know how much tinipasa. Eh? What a tinipa too much. Munya flame Moshe no, Munyano, a good some can have some. But what can I say so is about him? And now whom he have. And some not soft Macaba catcher and I'm teaching him say, so Moshe Jacob Drosua. I have find all the Quadroso, but to me, on fire Quadroso, oh no, all said Mumujidiano. Ama madrinada etu did this 2020 Moshe o de mi kwadoso kopede me ska be na o de mi kwadoso o de mi kwadoso oyam den edono o de mi kwadoso mi pa na o mi to oyam den so na Moshe di etimi kwadoso na me Moshe ya di amitimi so camera kaze Moshe wa nyaade adono say why ni message na yam de ni message na no kre ni message na about life. The message no ene ye idea ampa mahu se wo de bobla unya the answer enye be so seed be jat tight onyame say no enye life akwase broni sole on kwa sole ene say de hwe omko disco esu broni nim papa ne bone broni onim de ye ne waye broni bo so me so a ohun se wo twa wo ka ne ye secretary primary or twa letter say excuse me me twa ka na say Broni no. Broni be na kwasole. Me say akose emlofo ya Christopher. Say, mo meka se mientia. The way akose broni use Bible no. E different from the way tutu for use. When I say broni pia no use Bible bia hu. Me so amoboa. Broni pia no use Bible hu. Emlofo jama ha mo use Bible type of go munu. Amunu, mo da mo ka say omu ya Christo. Broni no, me say that come investigation mo Germany ya. Jama from crown no money man even Jesus so me ka bibia say Jama from crown is a group o mo ahon 10 to 10 ahon emu 9 no o mo ni man even Jesus they don't know anything about the church ayan tro no mu twa on say time bia minim say e fame o say e be say who say o we ni nyansa o we dey o mo boa Jama from crown ni man even Jesus o mo bo mo no even asole o mo nim who and I go disco what to no at the bag to be show disco then the boyfriend omo kwa akobro aba beda be di omo ho a aba service omo ho a na Sunday omo ajo na next week omo kwa say asole omo boa broni bia ni wo use Bible bia hu o ya mo ka bo Joyce Meyer did this bonsam ne mo nipa ye bone Joyce Meyer mo say na mo bon pa ye and na sofu e say flow be say benihimo omo nyina dey preach against Satan why na ka tell say bonsam ne mo nipa ye bone who can prove me that? Who can prove? Who can dare? What I say? Sir, Joyce Meyer so ahwa no. Omo preaching a different from young Africans no. Come and tell me say Joyce Meyer ono no to no did say bonsam ne mo nipa ye bone. Joyce Meyer ni mu say onipa so be koso a nyame ne mo onipa koso. Come and tell me that. And catch and throw and throw foot on nipa ni say akosi broni but the same broni be no use Bible. Opa Ochina Joso mebuan on time Bible nya experience ayibu ha. Uncle from Akosiboni house to house. Okwa will say, hello Brony. Excuse me, I want to ask you a question. Hello Brony, please do you have a Bible correct? Ubehu enipa omu mlofo go omu ni Bible. Mese omu pa, momenya sa yiwe. From house to house. Your question, hello Brony. I want to ask you something. I say, okay, what, do you have a Bible? Ne atepu obi, ne atepu oni bi. Ni odi yenye ni pa 20 pe. Obehu so mu Bible. Brony be na Bible, the Bible yeden. Huh? Princess Lee, my man, she said, met me, invite to a Princess Lee, come and say, maybe I said, met my friend, yeah, in fact, ultimate platform, we are, I don't know, say, oh, yeah, oh, Princess Lee, where in here? Oh, the Princess Lee, me who where you know, I come invite you. Me who where you know, oh, the mammy, I do, tell me I do, we was a bit bumper. Massa, ya, bro. I could see Brony Ben in Bible. Eh? Brony Ben Pana. Oh. Princess, let me who are you know. Me say mo pa mo menya sa data we. Mo mianko from house to house. So I must say I could see Brony use Bible now. Mo mianko from house to house. Yeah, if you base 50 pe. Oh, the mo mianka 50 pe. Ya kwa. Ni abusa. Hello Brony. Do you have a Bible? Okay, we'll be near Tepo. Hello, ni akọ the nurse. Hello, Akusi Brony. Do you know something about Jesus? Me say. Me girlfriend be no Kinaheim wa. Ana oko Kinaheim kra ya ka mo monte Kinaheim kra ya ka enkra fie no. Enkra won say enkra mo enkra mutiti enkra fie no. Oko ne dem na Yesu picture bo. Bo me girlfriend ne dem mo. Brony akra ni hu ya was say, oh, this man I know him. My girlfriend is How do you know him? Was oh, this man he lives here. Jesus picture no bono was say, oh you Brony be otomo there picture no. Brony no any man for Jesus. Me say mo pa mo yanko from house to house. Samu si Brony no mo babra. Mo yanko from house to house. Enya mu tuntum fo na mabeta kro na mu ye deda. Edi dwa mo suru mu ka Brony no nyame ye den. Eya mo na mu fra Africa, mu de mo ohia nti de bia mo hwe nyame kira kwan. Ahokyere nti tuntum ni de bia tuntum po nyame kira kwan. Ohia adwene no be ye adwuma no tuntum ti 24/7. E depending on God say Yakopon ne be solve ni problem ano. Brony ohia sade no. That is the naked truth. I'm a truthful tongue we think and can say I'm a catcher say I say there. I'm a catcher say Brony be no use Bible. Or the Bible here. Brony no Bible no there. Brony play no use Bible. Emrofuna omo Bible no 5% the crowd omunu. 5 omunu. Brony by now enemrem. Was say obetis kesa okoto Bible. How? Brony say what tisika. Matisika $20. 20 euro me koto Bible. How? On top. Because she doesn't need it on here. On here in school. Don't hear in a juma. Mudia mo e can say. I princess sa ko na sa blood me try say wo ha. Brony no hear Bible no. They hear in education. They hear in a juma. That is what they know. And two foot tongue when you say I can see Brony use Bible. Brony be use different Bible on different way. Just me I thought Bible use ni ye. Wow, I so for no Google internet so no Bible use ni ye. I the same message. Nyakopon, Satan. Now the same thing. Huh? They don't need it. Me say wow so me on test no bra. O de bra. Yeah, you be the camera be see you be the camera. Eh? You ko nyane ye life ko. You duru Brony bia afia ne ya krenke be. Kriton ni abase o Brony ye experiment bi. Me pa cha wo Bible. Oh, me Ubon asima akosi bono be ka kire because what do you mean? Why do I need a Bible? Me, why do I need a Bible? They don't need a Bible, massa. Me say what so won't you no? Yes, I you nyan hwade. Brony don't need the Bible, on one thing say koto Bible. Ye no adwene nya adwuma. Ye no ahokyere ohia adwemponi atrimodinti de bia hwe nya kira kwan. Ye ni hia Bible because adwene wu. The Bible no is for those low-minded people. Mama adwene nya adwuma hia Bible. Me I don't need the Bible. I don't need it. Omo amadwene no e low any hia Bible. Brony no adwene ya high o hia Bible. Brony hia Bible. O se me boa o kira munsi oni antwa de adwempone o mutiri mo she bia nipa nnu mo se on mo de tambia no pese ya adwene da mo she o mo boa bia yani mo she o mo se utie common sense nti ni common sense ya tiase teachers common sense. Yes, obi ndi mo obi kire. obi ni mo obi kire munya sa mo so na mo di table kire ha na munim sa mo kwara mo table kire na mo be table kire na mo be table kire 20 30 years di en den ya so ya baby ye new class ya baby ya ba ye hu se broni hia bible broni o hia bible broni no kwa sole he promia broni na kwa sole no wo ya brewa broni no be se 50 60 70 years for no omo no nse omudu so time na omo ni ba bia kwa di je omo nyomo ni bi no ma ko tra so dem wo broni akura wo da so de ye den broni akura wo da so de ye den je emre bi me kwa mo fa sole na me ba mo fa yesofo wa na mo me mo fa yesofo wa o ma sole dem wo broni enkwa ne beto nyomo minim se o ese nkra bi mbrofo nkra bi beto nyom o chele me nyaji broni akura beto nyom na me hu bi da emrofo no beto nyom a ese Anyway, everybody to the left, everybody to the left. Oh, and you be 50 cent. You be no more boy. I'm saying, yeah, mawu. Brony no, but 50 cent. And you want so that was now. Remember, say, as I'm gonna be catching on. You see, we tell them what kind of true. I am Ghana. Some me chapa. Me person me use word someone panasem. Moshe no. Ni hwa koye hi because of API ni name cause but the guy ni hu adi boni bi awoye munya intro no ne tebrote ni bi broni bi no use bible no different way from us because bro no mu hia bible why they need is law the mu hia yemra broni no so broni no me say ha me fa me kansi a on fa me kansi broni ne si me fa ha ono on fa the broni hia ye law de tuntum for you hear your bible because adwenata ya adwene wu adwene nya adwuma adwene nkoye enti ehia nakopon wo tete adwene de broni o hia ye mra de broni hia ye law. That is what they know because omono e kwana o ye no say 5 olo de kwana o make sure say what is scanning na hye kwanim but ye my 5 olo say for kwana me make sure say me the 20 pe ye kwano na me the 30 no me da pocket na me da be yeye na me da be dimi nuaso we yi masa munya de moshe na mo attack na enso sidi me se mo boa moshe o message ana mo kaze moshe oni message by na moshe ko o de moshe okay yate o mo su ni message o de mo pesa mo ye ne se transnet present message na fa come on mo ne bi on beti ase me message ni because ebia moshe transnet on trust me message in why any message oba p2 ni go message oba p2 of school balance da obeso o message obe catch no and can is a message baby na mo here you wicked minded people ya dwene nyadwuma adwene ata and so obi ba na odi bibi different ba na yay I know you want some no na then we keep attacking the person what's Yahuda ide Yahuda munyangopo na mo so obo ya so the boy no Yahuda the boy no always we want to look down on people. That is one of the bullshit about blacks and people blacks on brony brony je ope bia ope wasem me say na me te basim and I might be nice man or see on next stop or see on son and a girlfriend and ten heroes and a girlfriend disable or take him or tirimo or see na no ko bamu mame no ofina no ofi mame na say yey engufo nyame hira pusham man nice man now say the heroes and the girlfriend I don't know but them who say as wa bamu no reach anymore ofina no owie ya o pushing the neko I'm say God will bless these people God no wo hira wo mo was show go for him. They respect nature. One thing I could see bro near corner me say they almost respect nature. But yeah no, say would you would have better. And I would because we more to see common sense. Naka how do you want the Yahuda to look? Ka uncle over say on dance yet you know. Yahuda no anka omo tie. And anka onya pay and I say then because say otwi abobo ya obi twi abobo ya nti okasa me ntie o back p2 ni no sa ketekete no pa no okasa wotie obana wa wo no no 5 years 10 years no ono kra no ubu no okasa ho se wotie na Yahuda as a grown man ono so no oka na dwene ono so no wo hu bibi no oka no because of look na appearance ntino na adwene enti obi anya friend oni adwene enti obi oye mumu a enti oni adwene ono so hu bibi ade bakwa broni ni se broni no omu hia obi opinion uye ni frani uye bubuani uye kwata ja ohia bia akwase broni di ebuo mawo ehia saade na wo wadwene mu no na ya kombane no na ya chiri kro no enso tuntum de they will look up down say who is he, who is this person? Hey, never in your entire life look down upon anyone. I'm telling you. Oya sa a curse to you. A curse to you. O tell bro today, should we akosi broni aboa kra no mo respect aboa. Adabe to be twa me tia be hon. Ya say people be me kwase me say ejabi na ato ha. Me koya okra bi na afudua no. Okra da afudua no. Ana niru ano. Se o so say okra ni beto famo obewu. Ana hello Peter roof. People me kosha ana musumu duebo. Okra da waka wi ya be yi okra si fam. Hwe the way akwasi broni, esi bu nature. Me say Bible say fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Me say fear of nature is the beginning of wisdom. Share video bi of Facebook. Wo o twa kwan mu. Wo no. Wo kese pa o. Ana o twa kwan mu. Wo na broni agina a guide wo na gagina cars ne say wo no ntwam. Aya minwa tuntumu anka omo da babo ni tikun no. Minwa tuntumu a enka omo di aba. Hey wo Satan enam say wo yesi wo enam say wo na wo kasa wo babrim die ne tuntumu no ye ne hu wo ni say o Satan no ye no mitimi hu enam say Satan kasa wo babrim na say Satan koda da if ana if so da Adam no mudi enti ye hu wo a yesi wo ye Satan no enso hwade o wo ni twa kwan ni mu no highway o ekwan ya busy no broni ni timi gina ejejina kaisi na ma woni twa kwani mu koi enka ye wanka wuku no wicked minded people ye in respecting nature Abraham Moshe bano teaching e be you say we should respect nature na your God, nature itself your God. Wo say do kan enka asem na oka ja wo kan etie shame on you all mo amutebru chira mo hu hwe me say some of you I just look at you and I laugh because you talk as if so you know everything, but you don't know anything. You talk the only thing you guys know to say book. Me, I don't need that book. Me will read that book. No, I have to use the mind to understand nature. Me nature as I say, wo onyankopon bo for a purpose. Onyankopon bo krama for a purpose. Onyankopon bo data for a purpose. Me bo me for a purpose. Therefore, ye hear obi a purpose no to make this world a better place for you and me. Simple. Satan muya for na mugu yase. Mo pese yase ye bekoso. You guys are the problem with table 24/7. Mo study whites. You just talk because the only thing you know is Bible, God, Bible, Satan. And you know adrenada. You don't respect nature. She ain't so e Ghana. I'm not even suffer odro akwara oka. Tie akwara otete me fani. Tie no. Tie akwara fani tie no. Wose oko ekura biase ko preach ye. Munche ni you. Okwa ekura preach ye na ka kire say ensuo bi da ho. Na ensuo no wo bi dam. Na wo no opie awia bia no okọ na wakodidi as abda ensuo no. Munhwade o. Na kromofo ne wogide bi say ensuo no ana ya dan ho wo ekoba. Edi kromofo no respect aboa no. Make sure say aboa no omunko no. Hwade bi o. Muntie tie say sofo odo say okọ say aboa we me bon pan say oma me toitrim. Yes emlebe o na omo friend say sofo yes oh chale wo wan oba ye afia ha wo se munko no. Na sofo na oda awoda the church members na me akun wo no because kromfo ni didi say wo wona oda nso no mu a onka obia o obia one kromfo manatena enti they are like one people no ono do yen say wo woni pia na okodi no abeda no asofo no enim say wo ye bonsam o dada if nti no sofo oduro all die emeye kun wo no so painful na all the time say oye wo say Jesus is always the answer. God will punish all of you, I'm telling you. God will punish you one by one. One innocent snake in your kuno. Your kuno, just like that. Because of GDA. Now you can say GDA ni be and kwasi GDA. Now and one and cause almost say religion is not the problem. Religion is the problem. GDA in your kuno one. Innocent snake. One I own Yakupon bono. I am my yamo say, a yasi when Yakupo Nipanquan. I am say yasi when on Nipanquan set as well. Or the open Mabakum film say, Beya. Opa ye 10 year old in a 7 months na wiase. Opa ye enso we wiase na anwe so beti matna. Abode Onyankopon ba de sa tumi no ba de no. De oboy nya no hu se ye no boye. Ohun se wo yiba okra firi mu anka wiase no enkenye complete. E wiase we complete ohun no hu se ye hia owo, ye hia jata, ye hia sebo, ye hia kusie, ye hia kankane, ye hia de ni nya o we wiase na o de ma ye. Also to the Bible and we bonsam ye kuno. Makum wo wiase na ye nim important of snake say wo ye nim ye adwempon ntino ye nim. O so hwade bio akwasibo na study nature. Ene wo hu se wo no ne so fa so nie. But ye no enam say bonsam before Satan God ntino at the panel wo no ye nim. At the content Yakopon boss how wo no ya adwempon ntino ye nim an ko de nyame bo wo. Ye nim o jata bronyet ma study jata hu say jata no what me study the respect and manner who said, okay, this is the reason Yakopon bo jata or born on one yumra and I'm quite worried. But I've been born into Yajun into me, enter ya and debiate facuno. Because the Nimu Bible. Satan, Bible, asa. By for no, asa, the Nimuano no. Bronia study nature. Atima ya the Kosoro. Atimeko who said, a Yasin Pansanya Yasi and Kwane, ye were millions, ye were a Yasin baby. What to her and now Yakopon heaven, 1 hour to her, and a yadrin, the Bemupus a bear of the tea home. Quite and say, who near the tea and no son of Basini. Where Chumamo? Chumamo, study nature, no? Whom how nature no pretty. Study nature. Shane an animal, I near come say, Bible by your mind, in an no more body. Yen and I will come and walk around, or they come money soon one. What they respect man nature, no? Because nature no, oh, Yakopon. Nature in Yakopon. Share a crab person of Gianni and Yakopon. A commodity was also Ophelia. But who dear Gianni Abu say, why comfortable? That moment, no, a Gianna said, I didn't send Yami to me now, a dear woman, a say. And so, oh, Yakopon, I didn't train so in Yakopon. Satamana is to come to no. Now, what it, now, ha. Immediately now, Benum so do to say, and so did the 2 me being now actually young coupon to me. I'm a wire certified and it's time you say, study nature and say, be biakake. And never can wash your name, Yakopon. I'm telling you the truth. Bronya dream dog. Johnny, it was sense. Brony cough, come more, the Nimuno. Yes, 2020, still the eternity because of Bible. Nyame, Obiaba. Now was ye nishi adria. Just let mummy tieno. Instead of saying mano, benefit of that. Near tieno no. We are just condemning, insulting this guy so a scammer. Not the good thing in him, no, Angela. Not the good thing, the better thing in Abraham be Moshino, Angela. At the papa ne woni muno, Johnny Muno, I ebe cheno. Sure, Jama on. Now omo coach in one school. But omo who say guy no what sports mo adwuma do ndo ye omo fa obi a wako school e na omo de ma coach no omo tapo na adwini nyina tina jama football on jama on say omo jama so no e basa football na on so me strong coach no or then omo look down on the person that omo ka obi a we educated kakra e na omo de touch e don go school coach no and omo yi na adwene no ene ma papa nyina enso ye de bayifo bonsam de ni mo ye Nyankopon Satan etie tuntum nkwa ni mu da yakwa ni mo okra de hes okra so na dwo yes omo ba okra so na dwo yes bayifo ba break patuo yakrom yakum patuo na eso mu bayifo enso so no patuo no tuntum nam ya dwembo ntino ye nima de konti ayede na abo Yakopon bo abo we ayede na abo no nani potwe akwasi bronya ye hwehwemu di ebua ma boa no wakwa aboa no nchen wo hu ade pe wa aboa no mu enhu ade konti a ya boa aboa na ma akwasi bronya timi ahwa aboa no so ya de bibi hwale prenam wiem okasa mu futi na mu ye o mu study nature hwa anoma hu anoma de wi anoma so ehun de wi anoma osi land bronya timi ya lupre as 2020 yet ho obi obeba bia na mu de mu bayi na ma attack no one go school and when you Jesus Christ school be no koye Muhammad school be no koye munya mo share life man na ade papa woni mu una wontina say ye tena se una umu na ye bu no the father say me bu mo share inte say me mole because the guy is telling me something na aboa me na ka say me fiti na me di mo share achi una dey say me say boy nje because na ma adwena corrupt because of the Bible me ye bibia na me nkwa ni mu am say e baye me ye bibia na me nkwa ni mu am say ye bonsam me ye bibia na me push bibi ya me mo share say oboa enye bayifo enye Satan check yourself show ho check wo ho hwe wadwini mu ba adwini nya adwuma adwini man nya adwuma bo ho se adusua na usua na nko no enye bonsam ne baye adusua na usua otimi mfa wadwini adwuma no menua emfa nche bonsam hwe in life wo bobra na tambia no ubrim obia nkwa ni mu wo bobra me ka kire wo bobra na bibia ko na wo de ko hye obia o ye ba be san ho akọ because onya serious I'm can't say ye onya serious I presently my mention say why na saba am I you oh presently nyamia you know my am I don't know bobra o na still udna ho now the day bia ubremu obi a unkwan mu abrabom. These are some of the things me moshi aba catch me ampa me hu say eye no kore. I am responsible for any situation bia me wom enya bonsam enya Satan ye mushi antimu me kapa Yahuda tonto Yahuda onye nipa ti Yahuda no nya fe be black no nya fe look at something also be common sense. And you feel so proud to read it, say, because that you can be beer. And so people found say, shall suffer about yourself. We are nice man, but I'm a moon yes hard no. And my mum blame be mummy more different demon nature. This is what Abraham Moshe is telling us. We should use the common sense to understand nature. Because nature no so what you say we in for. And so the Hana say that it's come to the common sense. And it's a one word biane. One word biane. Then abedi common sense. Study nature. I'm telling you the truth. Yay. The way Yakupon si born me no. Me pe. Sa no born me. Enyam na me born me ho. Enti no dawo ke kan pushi me. Ye muhwe tutum for muhwe. Enso ye de na si ye du Yakupon. Odo Yakupon na o sere na bode. O se udo nyame, enso o sere na bode. O se start no ho nya fe. O sere no, obu Yakupon. O se blood no, o se udo Yakupon 24/7 tia sore dem. O se blood na wa bodo no ho nya fe. Obu Yakupon. Yakupon sanu adwuma no mu. O se udo Yakupon. Because one wa adwenya penti no. O minua, mo kasa. Ana mo hwem o. Ana amon for me hwem for some so udo understand life. Minua, me say life no so what life was here ho. Ube ho so what heaven. I'm telling you. So what life was here. You feel like you are in heaven. Ube so we are comfortable, sure. Minua, S20 aba mini sika meto LG. Mini LG sika meto Nokia. Enya transfer me koto S20. That is what I can afford. Smart TV na ba was smart TV or Thompson nyina ho. Submit to Samsung. Me to Samsung wa meto LG. Me to LG meto Sharp. Ni na no TV na me hwe. Understand nature. Yet me nya peda was as we so that. Till that kingdom come, you yet me nya peda. Ebibe wa ebibe yentete ebibe hone ho ebibe yakese ebibe slim. It is the work of nature. Timothy Yahuda them shame on you all. Say, who is this? Who is he? He is a human being. I will create and I will believe on a born. Mumushe ye muadie ye kasa se de ye pe enti no ye hu se ye nunyansa oni munyansa o me se bu ma se make me fa 111 much me fa 111 ho na I na me pesa ne ma no because I life but mo share je what attack about because the guy no messenger or catch ya to yakoma so compare yourself to Abrochi me say mama mo assignment mo say me mama assignment mo say as emrafo su Bible no mo fa Bible no mo fa data mo nko house to house nyanhwe ko a busa mo Bible bro ni nusu ni sika mfa nto Bible da ohia mo ma dwembone de bia dwembone o mutrim papaya asa mo mu abodenti no mu de bia mu hia nyame esu nyame onimu se nyame o ha onimu onim broni because broni no obon abode ho ban sa onno abode a onno nyankopon odo nyankopon a obon abode ho the way a esitie bia no mo me nya wo na ekukum ogaran emo ye mututu mu ye nso ye sem that is the god you know mo tia asase we so because es come dey no enso na banom respect nature me say fear of nature is the beginning of wisdom. So for Makaban, leave Abraham Moshe alone. Or everywhere so Obeka Moshe wants him. And you compose research, now, don't may o Christoni, and you compose research simple common sense. Teach your message. Abraham Moshe to teach the message. Me pa me fa. I don't know problem. But you all right, so Obeka Moshe wants him. That one day I can't take it from you. But Mr. Sas come in, say what they could do so no. It is a low key and touchy. Mummy, more than any demo bibia. The father said, man, coach couldn't say Minimasa. I obia said, be breaking nature and I hope to be bringing some medical school. But son and nature produce me. Semetia, son of produce me. Me was son of produce me. Me what time, son and nature produce me. There is nothing I can do. Be beyond what met me I home because I am not a born home. Now you find the demon nature that munya damuchi no. Moshe. Emma obia mu obem. To 2 fondes, baby, I was on the side here. Me say, me ni what you quack. O 2 number 2. Me tio, me nim the old chillame. Me nim the opposite of trade Ghana for. Now, baby, I wanted there. And now I jump on any buy any bon some 17. Yan to was it. Because obey your man quite put to me casse. Or bon some nema accident DC. Ampa, ye didi. Obeja man kwa say answer na accident besino e upon sam na ya akosuma accident nasi ampa mini yegidi bebe e friend yegidi broni nyini arentra broni nyini say upon sam na cause accident na tuntu for the yegidi because ye no ohia eni aho kire ne kwanda denti no tembia ne yesu free nyankopon jata osole on free nyankopon wo aboa bia no osufre nyankopon osole ne komde na woni bi na dwane won okodibi enso yenko ade ye hia sika ye nyankopon ye hia bibe ye nyankopon Moshe say it is never true aya dwen no aye dey tim aye app a onyame de ma ya ye de bobra entimi nyame sremo Jamaican de enchechemu Moshe message amechechemu mu de mo nkyere me ba bia why wrong mo nkyere me entro wa twa kyere me mu de mo fa madwem na e ba bia Moshe kan mo nkyese mo de mo kan kyere me ente ni kwa se ma plan be koso a se mi so seed ente ni kwa se ma plan be koso a se mi ko transfer them 24/7 se ma plan be koso a and I say me ya fasting and no class a enya no kra sanya no kra dia saya no kra broni na menete no onya mpaebo broni na menete no onya fasting broni na menete no on kwasole and so no they are living better life than yena ya transfer them 24/7 what is the reason ana nyam sa utimi ka tem say nyam na obo broni no or you different from nyam obo broni that's what I will me no be adwen now sa ka tem say we enya the same nyam dia ena me nua tuntu for yada adwen na anya adwuma body ni bre mi di mu besia mi da mo ase South Makaba men town na mo nsem na awoka no aya me pe high key me pe message punches ara me pe punches me on atamidie me mpo me pe punches ma me punches na me hu se am pass na awoka de no but dey obo be kan e de say mo shade akọ adroso na loki adroso bi na mo shade akọ ni message no ya ti ase na ya hu se no kre ya put it into the practice na say wako han kra ena omu diska ma omu na ko hye e loki se sara ka kire me dia ena ka kire papa na wote TV no so oye akubam no akobom advert ne say akobom no use no you say on use be that sa high sense nana mark brown high sense ubekom kona high sense no use be that say for be infinity mobile phone is Shatawale or ambassador ubeko Shatawale ho na o use iphone o use be that so say papa say sala ka tell me dia e na yen kan kire o mu nyina hu say o mu na mu ye fake because I got it better that ointment now yeah who advert o TVs no papa na o ya advert o TVs no use be that as o say papa Mercy cream advert na ye tra FM so TV so ye no sa onipa no sa onipa no sa adena o kan only so be that to say ne kre and don't can low key when you shock we expose now the buy and expose na anya papa I advert yes we need it and we are scan from lemu biom ye di be twa susu ye mo pomu scan from lemu biom ni anom mo pa adwene adwumate hwe mo fa komapa eni mo hye achi sa wonti obi ase a on ye won kofo bi wo ho a wo de mo hye tichi sa on na wonti ase a obetuma frɛ me na na hyedi otimo obuso no wadwene a enye don't just you ever chira but some catch wo say de mo hye ye no me some catch say eye draw eye nda ho am say na me twantro the guy is teaching us something wo wonim de o mo ka say onim ni de oboa o wonim de onim kasa onim how to prove and disprove something mumie fa kuma pa follow no jomo yan e loki mitamase midimbesia mitamase pa se amrenda nya no mo ba e ba life amo kire do mumie fa odo eni akuma pa enta mo shiachi midimbesia na me trase ka be fro amanfo so no chale me nya sure se mame ade ayi kire me yese obetimi abaso anaka me fani pa be tubi na oh David sa otimo platform yankasa mintimo de kuntia intimi blachira men ka me ada ahwese ke beba so ase intimi ado misramo me fa blachira medina to tele na mama fa course kakra se e be dia to mu dia bravo ko de
nyame adom ye madum me light kura ko cham ho atompam
antompam kasa
why me no pastor no me di omo ho ya papa ene se me hwe ba bianka omo aduru no ne kuro na omo akopie so no na se omo timi san kansem bi sei me timi transi dwene sa nti ti se Milan ha mi we abrofo ya mi hu omo no ne ya omo de na di wa kire ne the same thing na ba bi omo wo no sa abrofo no da di kire omo ana because ya na na say obi a o na ese se wa ko school ono di onimade onim ne e koso owiase na
Princess Lee try say metina from Princess Lee we try
o ka se obi akodi obi atinti ono no oye tosi oye mole e kasa basa ti se akura fe na ye kire ne kasa de ya me dwene ho amentiase se tio ye nyina ya kodwa so na wo kota de wo percent ye red na me pay green a de ntina matomi green a wo di maten
o se abinia
amentiase well ntino o mun say mra bio because ye nyina nipa bible enyo omo nko na bible do mo fie ye nyina me na ye difo ba me na o se nkom nyina o se nkom ti ye nyina ye firi ade enum ba ye mimi tu kwenya mbedura me hwese ne abrofo no ye omo noma omo toto tese uni broni ye aduma odi adinu na ye aduma ye construction work o ya kwako duru ho broni ni nya duru ho no wa fa ni tools no obobo ni obobo ye jina ba bi mompa ye o mi hu se broni bi aka se ne de mo enfa hu se nyame nsa unene ya de kura o ya de ama no ko wo da ase na ko kase o de nyame ase kura wa dwa o se nyame na ye ma no wa de nyame ase nti ni bi sa no ma we nyina ho a aden ye kanso a bible no mu ne di kan hu ye Ode say see be kan okrepa ye te ye Ghana ho no na ye nim Bible ye na mu nim Bible no omo na di kan de ban ti so bia si obuna ne tetefo no ye di tetefo anamo so a omo na mu na di kan kura Bible ade na nefu omo nkuram na ye obi di free ba bibra ye mom na ye ko ho
because of here aho kire adoboni ni tia
nti omo tima ko school omo tim kenkan ne de kura na me ya me dwuno mo ho a ya me just me dwuno ho a le rin be say I can't think far me dwuno ho a me tiase so bra mo ko so na mo mwaye what defend me da ha mani age pa mo ko so me kwa mo bi so aba nti
mama yes Princess Lee oja Princess oja wo yi pa na me numa de kuntia na you know Catherine mama why
okay
oh Princess oh meet me nya me nwa ba yo me nwa ba na yi ni ha oh enia Charlie wa pesa me fro bia no kacha me say me fro na mo ba kire Princess Lee why you know about ade oh why you know aso mtimi ade me sira wa bia no o pesa me fro bia ma me try me timi afre nipa okay cream am hwe cream mo she say cream mo she so betimi aba kana dwuna masa mo yanka say o na de enkofo no ye no oh Princess my try ese ofro bi o de na ma nso kamo mbo chere madwene kakra wa emma amehwe se sister yi be ade a oh de mo she o mu de mo she no de me ntiase o ne niam pa no mo da ko mo betra na mo nka ne niam pa no so ne hwe ade because mo she no papa woni mu boni woni mu se te bon na mahu a papa no so mo betra no ne nka ne hwe ha oh ya bi oh princess emma mame hwe mame ade ye bla hwe se be no so on se be ba Mohammed Nuri me hwe ana ko so oh jale I don't know I say bra no do I don't know na pese kam invite ni pa kakra nanka almost be kasa ne hwe ade but I say I don't know mame hwe me say oh David no. Nimpa kakra bi na omode na aba Princess Lee kra na kametene nka ka me twa so koi but ono na yini ni ha na yini still ni ha me nwana na mdimbusi ya because obia Mohammed yini wa ha Mohammed me invite Mohammed me invite on hwema me say me ade Mohammed nu aha connect ada wa Ghana na Mohammed Ghana for network ndi antimi o tale jamudi mo she ni de mesra mu nyai na emfa jamu betimi ade awini e back na ye say mo disprove mo she mo de mo nche no nwaro Bible nka se mo she wo bo ayo otorofo oh tale why na anya okay enehwe ma fa mudimbusi a da foforo ebia wo chena na me makwa ya esa be ba chena na ya beto aso etino mudimbusi a medamo ase se ya to esa frame mu nyina mo ba eti misira mu de meka ne se munya abotre kakra Richard Kwame don't me share Richard Kwame me share Richard Kwame metimanya Richard Kwame Richard why nini hao Richard Kwame why nini ha Richard Kwame da bi why no ensoy odi e mamva misia why da foforo me da se